Hello, fellow Americans, patriots all over the world. Time has come to make yourself known, to talk to the people in a language they understand, to come together or find some resolution that we all need the same basic things to survival, and things politically, socially, economically are all going in the wrong direction. We need to come together in our small groups just for survival. Reform community and service. Best time to prepare is before the disaster. And it's just got to happen. Or, well, we'll see, won't we?